Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Chinwe Ezekiel. In this video today, I'm gonna show you how you can create a profitable YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you step-by-step guide how you can create a profitable YouTube channel. Please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button and smash on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for coming back to check what I have on my channel. Like I said, that I'm going to show you how you can create a profitable YouTube channel. Okay, now to get started, go to youtube.com. okay, youtube.com, this one here. Go to youtube.com here. So when you are here, the next step I'm going to do now is to click on sign in. I'm going to click on sign in. All right, so I'm going to enter the email address that I want to use. Enter the email I want to use. So I have to enter the password of the email account, the Google account password. Then click next. All right, so I've created the YouTube account, but that is not all. I'm going to show you how you can customize your channel. All right, so what I'll do now, I'll click here because I have signed in. So I'll go and create the channel. I'll click on create a channel. Okay, this is the name I want to use. I can even change it to YouTube tutorial. YouTube tutorial. Okay, now hit on create channel. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to customize this channel. Like you can see the name here, YouTube tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to customize the channel. I'll hit on this customize channel. All right, welcome to YouTube studio. Hit on continue. All right, so this is it. Now we have here, we have branding, we have this and that. We have branding here, we have basic info. Okay, now to add my profile picture, my YouTube profile picture, so I'll go to branding, I'll click upload. Okay, I'll click upload, then I'll select the picture from my system. All right, I'll select it from here. I'll select it from here. All right, so I'll click done. Yes, then another one now is banner image. Okay, now to get the banner image, kindly go to canva.com to create the banner image. It's gonna open. So I have to log in. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up, but I have an account, so I'll click on login. I have to log in with my email address and my password. Yes, I have logged in. So since we are going to create a YouTube banner image, I have to search it, YouTube ads cover. YouTube ads cover. Okay, look at it here. You can see there a lot of YouTube stuff here, but I need YouTube channel ads cover. So I'm gonna click on this one. These are templates. You can create the art cover using the blank channel out, or you can select a template. So I'm going to select a template here. All right, let me choose the one I want to use. Let me choose the one I want to use. Okay, let me use this one. Let me click on it. I'm going to customize it. This template, I'm going to customize it to my own taste. All right. All right. So I can remove this text. Go to text here. Type YouTube tutorial. YouTube tutorial. Okay, so you can remove all these things and add your own. So to remove this one, since I've clicked on this one, I can press delete. I can remove it. Then now go to elements and add the one I want here. Okay, I can use this one. I'll just drag it, place it here, then resize it. Okay, so you can add anyone you like on your own, but I'm just showing you the step-by-step process on how you can create a profitable YouTube account. Okay, then you can remove this one and this one. Okay, so after that I have to download these templates. Okay, to download, I'll click on this download button here. Okay, PNG suggested. Yes, I need the PNG, so I'll click on download. It's downloading now. Can you see it here? It has downloaded. Look at it. So I'll now come back to YouTube here and click upload. I'll go to download folder where I downloaded the stuff. This is it. I'll select it. I'll click done. All right, look at it. So guys, from here now, I hope you have seen how I uploaded my profile picture and my banner image. So go to basic info. This is where you have to write about your channel. I'm just writing this. This is a YouTube tutorial. All right, so you can write about your channel here. Okay, this is your channel URL. That is, if you share this URL, someone will click on this thing. If someone click on this link, it will direct that person to your YouTube channel. All right, so here you can enter email address, like let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. So if you add your email account here, people that visit your channel will see this email, so they can be able to contact you. If they have a business with you, they can contact you using this email address you leave here. But I'm not going to leave any email address here because this is a tutorial. All right, and after everything, you now click on publish to save all your settings. Okay, if I refresh here, let's see. Can you see the YouTube art cover and the profile picture? So guys, this is how you can create a YouTube channel. If this video helps, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Then smash on the bell icon so that you miss any of my videos, because I'll be uploading videos on how you can create things like this, how you can create YouTube channel, how you can make money online, everything that can help you in life. I'm gonna be uploading the videos here. Guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.